let's solve some live past questions to assess what we have learned for the day. Nice. So this past question, like I told you before, they are live questions coming from past JAMB and other tertiary institution questions. So here, okay, it says the number of hydroxonium ions produced by one molecule of an acid in an aqueous solution is termed dash. The number of hydroxonium ion produced by one molecule of an acid in an aqueous solution is termed dash. A, I have acid strength. B, I have pH. C, I have acidity. D, I have basicity. A, I have acid strength. B, I have pH. C, I have acidity. D, I have basicity. So our answer is D, basicity, which I have explained before. Nice. So our next question is, propanoic acid is dash: tribasic, monobasic, dibasic, unionizable. Propanoic acid is dash: A, tribasic, B, dibasic, C, monobasic, D, unionizable. Nice. So the answer is C, monobasic. Propanoic acid is what? Monobasic. That's another name for ethanoic acid, like I told you before. An acid and its conjugate base differ by dash. An acid and its conjugate base differ by dash. A, differ by a hydroxide ion. B, differ only by an electron. D, differ by a proton. D, are oppositely charged. A, differ by a hydroxide ion. B, differ by an electron. C, differ by a proton. And D, are oppositely charged. So our answer is C, they differ by a proton. So guys, if you have any confusion of any kind, let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video with your friends. For now, bye bye.